Nice little spot if you're looking for some home-cooked food in Egypt. Like it's really good. A subscriber gave me the info. Okay, can I get through here? Oh God, I have something in my eye and I couldn't see it all. Good afternoon from Egypt. I am hungry, and an Egyptian subscriber recommended a restaurant to me that I'm interested in checking out. So, lots of traffic. I have the motorcycle. Yalla bina. Let's go. So I really don't know anything about this place, so I can't talk about it much, other than I think it is like a small business run by a woman whose name is, I believe, Somaya, or Somaya, something like that. I don't even know the name of the restaurant. It doesn't have like a location on Google Maps with like photos or reviews. It's just a subscriber gave me the info, sent me the link, which is on Instagram. And yeah, I'm very interested in checking it out though. I think it's gonna be good if it's open. So we'll find out all about it together. Come on, kid. Move it. Okay, can I get through here, please? Come on. Oh God, I have something in my eye and I couldn't see it all. Wow, that would have been dangerous if I was going at a higher speed. I almost needed to just stop. It was very sharp. Get stuff in your eyes all the time here. Because of the dust, but that was much worse. That was sharp. What are you doing, bro? All right. So, and I don't think it even opens till 5, but it's somewhere on this street. Don't worry, I leave the location link in all my videos. So go to the description if you want to know where it is after I find it. Okay, so it's not here. It should be on the next street, because that's Cairo over there. Is it this? Nah. This looks so residential. Oh, I think I saw, you know what? Thank God for Instagram. It has like a blue awning, and I think I see it. Of course, it's not going to look open because it's not 5 p.m. yet, and I was told to show up early because she's only open for like 2 hours, and then she closes. And it's a small restaurant, so it's smart to show up. This person parked like a jackass. What? Just because you have a fancy bike? Anyways, so yeah, All right, I'll tell you more about it once we're I put the stuff away. All right, found the place. This is what it looks like from the outside. ممكن أصور عشان إذا Look at this. So we have cash only. Arabic. But yeah, they it's a nice little. I have the like, murals and stuff. Oh yeah, بس عايزة أصور شو بعدين. هي عارفة. صوري جوه. دلوقتي بعدين أنا هناك. شكرا. So yeah, this is Somaya's place. I'm gonna find out more once we go inside, including the hours, but I just wanted to show you the outside. So it's a little bit actually before 5, but they're open, getting ready. Oh, it's almost 5. It's 4:54. So, yep, I'm just filming, then we'll go inside. Shukran. Yeah. Ooh. Yes, nice little place. Very small though, so yeah, you do need to come early. There was already 2 people waiting at the door. I'm taking a large table, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna turn the camera off and look at the menu, film the place, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I just ordered. The menu changes every day, and then you just order what is on the menu. It's very select items. So today is Wednesday, and they offered piccata beef stew, mustard chicken fillet stew, black eye bean with tomato sauce, a white rice topped with yogurt sauce, and or a house salad. So I took a photo of that because the guy just handed me the phone showing me the menu of the day. So you don't even get like a paper menu or scan something. He just hands you the phone and you look at the menu. I've ordered the piccata beef stew. I'm interested to see what that's all about. And this restaurant is only open from 5 to 7 p.m. 6 days a week, but Saturday they are closed. So I would love to talk to the woman in charge and have her say something, but she looks busy, so maybe I can try to bother her. I'm not sure. Anyways, we'll wait for the food to arrive, and I will see you guys in a little bit. It has arrived. That was very fast. Here we are. Wow, it smells like there's a lot of spices in there. It looks very well cooked. I'm excited to try this. All homemade. She's back there cooking. Yeah, that's the lady. I'm too shy to like go up and bother her. I also got a soda. So let's try this. That is good. The gravy. That was a struggle to explain. I just say you don't need like a knife. You just cut right into it, and it just comes right off. The gravy, what is it? It's good. And he just brought me some bread. I'm excited. this was $3.50. I think I actually got the most expensive thing on the menu, but it sounded good, I should say. You have very traditional music happening over there. I don't know if you can hear it. It's good. It's such a quiet environment though, so I feel like I should be whispering or not filming in here at all. But at least I'm in the corner, so I'm not bothering anyone. Yeah, so an Egyptian subscriber, Moni, recommended this place to me. She said you should check it out. I would love to talk to Somaya. I don't even know the name of this restaurant. I think it's called Somaya's place. But I just saw the link on Instagram, which I will leave the location and the link to her Instagram page as well so that you can see this. The meat is very tender. I'm pretty sure that's been cooking for hours. I just cut into it to see if you can see inside it. Yeah, delicious. I bet you this would be amazing in the winter on a cold day. This kind of food is amazing when it's cold outside. Yeah. I think this will be a very short video, but yeah, I'm gonna turn off the camera so you don't have to just watch me keep eating. But maybe I can talk to her or even just ask the waiter a little bit more about the restaurant in a little bit. Fingers crossed that I have the nerve to do that. I'm back. Still eating this. I just have to say, like, how delicious this tastes. I don't know. I've already said it was good, but like really, I'm eating this with the camera off and I'm like, like it's really good. Really rich. Full flavor. Not lacking flavor at all. And you can just use the bread to get all that delicious sauce. Yeah, really good. Didn't know what to expect. Had no expectations, but very pleasantly surprised. Home cooked food. Small business owner. I would love to interview her. Got more people coming in. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to come back and say it's really amazing. I'm loving it. I could order more, but this is sufficient for me. It's a plate of meat. It's quite a bit of meat. So, and the bread, the sauce, really good, you guys. All right, guys, that was Somaya's. I know that was so incredibly short, but it was so quiet in there. And I didn't want to, I didn't want to like be shouting.
Delicious.
Delicious? أيوة لذيذ جدا. Oh, were you just in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, very good. Do you come here often?
Yeah. 2 times.
Twice now. Yeah, definitely. I'll have to be back. It's delicious food. شكرا. سلام. Bye. شكرا. Anyway, so yeah, that is Somaya's place. I actually asked the name though, and he said it was Fasa. Oh, I wrote it down, but my phone's in my bag. Fasahid. It means like living room. So Somaya's living room is basically what that translates to. But it's an older word, the waiter said. Fasahid maybe is what it was. Anyways, so yeah, I asked if I could ask her some questions on camera, and she was like, she didn't want to, so I was like right away she was like, and I was like, never mind. But really good food, nice local spot. She's had this place for about 5 or 6 years, and she had a smaller store just a few blocks over that way for several years as well. So total, she's been running this business for 14 years, and I think she's been at this location for about 10 years. So yeah, nice little spot though if you're looking for some home cooked food in Egypt, and not like, I mean, you go to a restaurant, you're getting restaurant food. This is home cooked food, so definitely a very great experience. Someone's air conditioning is dripping on me. But yes, Fasahid Somaya. Cool. So that is the restaurant. Sorry I didn't film a bit more, but it was just such a quiet, closed setting. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the quick vlog. Stay tuned for what's coming next, because I have other recommendations that have been given to me, and I plan to go to another restaurant soon in the area. Well, it's more in Garden City, but yeah, also locally owned, run by one man show. So, all right guys, well, I hope you've had a good night or a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama.